want to show you one of the critical pieces of equipment that we've got here, and that's our carder. But it starts with the wool. So what you're looking at is raw wool that we dyed, we washed it, and we picked it. And it's now ready to get really well blended by our carder. And our carder is one of the very best. So here's the wool on the conveyor belt. It starts though with the box right behind me. That's our, I don't know, Grand Central. That's the power. That's the thing that's going to turn the whole machine on. So we're going to start there. But now if you turn and look over here, for safety reasons, the machine isn't running because we've taken off the gate that would have blocked this. And what you're seeing now are the rollers. And if you come up close, I'm going to say, Elise, this is the camera person, I want you to come over and see really closely here. This is where the fiber is going to get drawn in to this roller here. And these rollers have wicked sharp little pins on them. And so it's going to pull it in, and then it's going to rotate, and you can see here where it's on this roller, it gets caught and moves through, it gets caught on the next set of rollers, on and on. And you can sort of see the fibers are starting to line up. You can tell that the fibers are beginning to blend and they're getting separated out. Come back now and take a look at what the individual. That means what it's done is it's taken this piece and it's pulling it apart, pulling it apart, pulling it apart, but also lining it up this way, lining it up this way. If you've ever seen hand carders where you see people doing like that, that's, you know, the old-fashioned what you can do at home. This is doing it on a bigger scale on the carder with the rollers. So what I'm going to do is go around to the other side and show you how it comes out at the back side of the carder. Here, come follow me. While I knock a few things over. Here we go. Again, for safety reasons, we don't have it on because we want this gate open to really show you. Those same kind of rollers that you saw, here are the fibers, and they're continuing to get moved from one roller. You can see it here. It's getting picked up so it can start into this roller. And it keeps working its way down to this is a static bar, because it's sort of like your own hair. Like when you're managing it all, you go, woo! Well, this static bar quiets it down, and then this dopper bar right here waves up and down, and there's a little serrated edge here that's basically combing the wool off the roller, and here you can see it starting to gather. See how it's pulling away? And it's gone this way. These hoses here have a gentle stream of air that's moving the fibers across, and it's getting a twist built into it because of the roller, this rubber band right here, this rubber tube, is turning and making this look rounded. You can sort of see it's rounded, and then it's going through here and coming out the back side here. So this is what was carded. Look at how blended that is from what we saw at the very top with all those crazy different colors. Look at that lovely muted green. I'm going to close the door here. And so this is the roving that's going up and into our new can coiler, and it's getting loaded up into here. Look at that. That is carded wool.